Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Just unpack on the news that are happening in South Africa. Obviously, I mean, we normally will add Senzo Miwa here and there while we're waiting for them to come back. A court on the recess that was given to them back because of who advocates needs to read the 40 to 60,000 pages. So I just wanted to talk about the raid le yenzakele. Mhlambe ngitshotshone izinto zethu zasenzomiwa lapho. Ama-Hawks on they went to raid the High Court in Pretoria. Betty, some staff that works there. Actually, just one person that is stealing things, documentation there at the High Court, and they take them to foreign nationals. Guys, I'm like, when is this going to stop? You remember, Futhi, there was another story that has been going around for the past month. There's someone that works in a university who only hires foreign nationals. Guys, I like for real right now. When there's no employment, when people are studying, how many graduates are not working? How many graduates that graduated this week on its own? And they don't work in Ganzabantu. It's not nice. We understand? And then when you go around, we're trying so hard not to be. So ama-Hawks this fraud there going on. They went and read a High Court. I'm like, into zasezomiphelele ama-transcripts lawa afunayo omnisi. You ask yourself, kuthiwa some of these documents they included, actually most of them, they included abantu being deported to their own countries. So by Georgia Leon, it's obvious. I mean, we won't know who was supposed to come to court and all of that. So I feel it's actually manipulation of justice system. What's the High Court, guys? Besides, there's other things that are happening there. Ebuhlungu futhi, it's the one that happened at Prince Mshweni Hospital, just outside Umlazi. Hey, in KZN, ebuhlungu le nto of this intern who was just trying to find himself for esebenza. He calls the supervisor and says, no, ngiyagula, I cannot come to work. Uthi wasn't 17. And then umntwana uyafika uyashona. That's like so heartbreaking, guys. I've never, I was just like, so he's been suspended, this guy. 100 things like that, stuff that you can control. Even on the news, they were saying this thing could have been controlled. Akukho right, ukuthi ene ingane izizishonele emsebenzini, because and most companies they do those things. Athakana ndaba was basase ngisho imali if you don't come, you don't even have a voice to come to work. Uphethwe iflu mhlambi kuthiwa woza emsebenzini. When you come to work, awunayo voice to come work, you can't do anything. But umuntu uthi uzohlala uqhaqhazele emsebenzini. You remember even noMngomezulu, late advocate Mngomezulu had the same problem. He was shaking in court. There's nothing like this. He caught him twice on that day. But so that's I feel Mngomezulu should be here. And I understand, even when he went home, there was where he was even saying, so he's going to be watching on YouTube. How is YouTube going to help us? Because Velega guy from YouTube, he said it so many times, YouTube. Now those YouTubers who say their own things there. So guys, this isn't they can be controlled. There was no need for this child to come to work. Because he just started working. I'm sure he was about 25, 26 as a doctor. He's just started working as an intern there at Prince Mshweni. We are going to say, right? So the guy, the supervisor who did this, has been suspended. Because anyway, guys, think about it though. Just look at it that way. How are we going to look at this? Like how I normally say, it doesn't matter who shot Senzo. You go on, that's my other narrative. It doesn't matter who shot Senzo. You to Senzo. Well, so when I like kama kumale for sodas, so you are the one on Bulal. It's the same thing with the supervisor there at Mshweni Hospital. What he did to the intern. Message about Nandi Pamakutumani Sizozo today, a judgment around his extradition from Tanzania. Remember when they ran away, Nomuntwake Utabo Pesta, they went to Tanzania. From Go Zimbabwe. I was on the floor. I was just like, guys, how can you walk? But so they started walking, bashi moto somewhere. they started working. There was that story anyways. Go 2023. So angisakhumbula ukuthi she said she was unlawfully deported from that site and extradited to South Africa. Now wabambisa abantu wathi lalela ngikaze nje mina ngize ngikwenze lokho ngicela abantu bangihlangile bangithatha without my. So now what must happen? Without my permission, we must take you back to Tanzania. Ayagula lo sisi. So judgment yakhe today, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.